Everybody, welcome to MTX. We're located here in Glen Allen, Virginia. Today we're going to be looking at the 2025 Aluma MC10 motorcycle trailer. This is an extremely valuable trailer that we have here on the lot, specialized especially for motorcycles, and it comes at an amazing price point too as well. It has a payload capacity of 1,465 pounds. Its GVWR is 2,000. Its floor length is 172 inches. Its floor width is 75 inches. Like all our other trailers, this trailer can be financed too. Let's look deeper into it. This trailer is operated on a 2K rubber torsion axle. You can see the easy lube hubs with the 13-inch radial tires with aluminum wheels. And you got the extruded aluminum floor. You got the 24-inch front shield. It's got 4 tie-down loops as well. It's also a 2-foot motorcycle bracket with fender steps right there. You can see the swivel jack. And then you can see the 2 5/16" adjustable coupler. Get a better view of the trailer. You got the fenders right there and you got the wheels. That's what it looks like from the inside. This is what the trailer looks like from this angle. And you can also see the LED lights that are right behind it. It has a 45 by 45-inch aluminum slide-out ramp and also comes with a manufacturer 5-year warranty upon purchase, exclusively at MTX. By far, this is the best motorcycle trailer that we have on the lot. And it comes at an amazing price point as well. Again, this trailer is located in Glen Allen, Virginia. If you're interested in purchasing, please call or text the number down below or visit our website at www.mtxtrailer.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. We can't wait to see you on the lot. Thank you and have an amazing day.